In this video, we're going to look at an Android application with a video view. So I made an app with an activity with views, and so I had this layout. In the layout, here's the activity underscore main XML layout that it gave me. I brought over from in a design view. I brought over under widgets, I brought over a video view, and all I really did at this level here in the XML was constrain it. So here you can see the video view, and mostly this is about constraints. And then I gave it an ID, and as you can see over here, the video I'm showing, the first video I show is of a crocodile, so I called it VV for video view croc. And that is the main thing. That crocodile video is over here in the raw. It's a raw resource. So under resources, I said new, I said directory, and I named that directory raw, and I brought over my MP4s, the videos I want to show over here in the raw. So I showed you the XML, I showed you this raw. I'm going to show you the XML, one of the videos I'm going to pull off of the internet, and specifically one of the addresses that I use, and the address I'm going to show you is an HTTP rather than an HTTPS. So I need, for any video I'm going to pull off the internet, I want to allow my app to have permissions to the internet, but specifically for the one that uses HTTP, I'm going to need this clear text traffic equals true. Okay, so the only thing left for me to show you then is the main activity, the Kotlin. Okay, basically the only thing I'm going to use a video view. I'm going to give it a media controller. So if the user over here clicks, again. And so you're starting the video, and if you click, then you will get this control, and you can stop it if you, okay, well, it stopped on its own. But you get the control so that you could pause the video if you wanted. Okay, so that was the media controller and the video view. And I had, as you saw, the toast to say the video beginning and the video's ending. So those are my main things. And I have a URL. So those are my imports. Okay. I am bringing in the media controller. I'm connecting to my interface. I write a path, so I make a very URL looking thing, but this was the crocodile is a raw resource. So we put sort of as our protocol android.resource : / and then define the area for this app, which is given by the package name and a /, and then the file R.raw.crocodile. And that's what I was showing you here. And this is all comments to do other videos. Here is the setting the video URI, in this case, a local Android resource, adding the media controllers. And then I'm just using two methods, sort of when it starts and when it stops, and not really doing much here other than sort of when it's prepared, then start the video, and toasting out. I don't know if I just had a vvCrock.start, that would work, but this is in case you want to do additional things when it starts, and I decided just to do a toast. Let me run it one more time, and we can see that toast. This is a pretty short video of a crocodile moving a bit. So there's my video start down here. That's my toast. It's crocodile's waving its arms and its tail and its one foot. And then it is done and the video ends. So there was a method for completion and another video for when it was ready to go. And it's video resource. It can take a little bit of time. And then if I put a start in the onComplete, I can get sort of a looping and have my crocodile sort of go continuously. I had another video over here, which is of me that I got from my phone, but terribly uninteresting and larger because this was a little cartoon. So actual video person is usually a larger thing. And then here's the one I want to show you, the one that's going off of the internet. That first one worked when I originally wrote this program, and then I don't think that video's there anymore. So let's comment out the crocodile, bring in the big bunny, save, stop, start. Now we're going out to the internet and finding an MP4, but it's not an MP4 I found on the internet, but an MP4 that is like posted on the internet as an MP4. So the address is bigbunny.mp4, and there it is, and I can click on it, and it's a longer video, so I can stop it. Okay, so I think that's it. The video view came just was one of the widgets in design here. Drag it out, constrain it, and just a few lines of code to control it. Tell me where the video is, whether it's a raw resource or out on the internet. Give yourself some controllers. There's a method for when it's sort of ready to go. There's a method for when it's stopping. And if you're going to go off the internet, you're going to have to edit the manifest to give it permission. And if it's an HTTP, then you're going to need to do uses clear text traffic. Okay, that's it for this one. Thanks for your attention.